Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to upload videos to Google Drive and share them with anyone else, but not you. So first of all, you want to upload your file video from your computer. So you can either click new and file upload, or you can just open up your download files and drag it here on your home page. So I'm just gonna click new and file upload, and you're gonna basically upload your file from there. Now, as you can see, the file upload is complete, and now we can access it in here. So when you have uploaded it, basically just click these three dots and you can click share, copy link, or share. So let's do this, and now I'm the owner, as you can see, and the general access. You want to do anyone with the link, and for a person to download this file, you want to do an editor mode. Then you're gonna click done. But of course, first of all, you want to copy the link. So let's do this again, and let's copy the link. Now click done, and now basically you will write down this link to anyone, and they can download and access this file.